number 9, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra...
Ratchet.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
This is Optimus Prime.
Sorry, Optimus, you startled me. The nest lab's empty. Humans need their sleep. I was just adjusting my EMP blaster.
Just as well. There's trouble in Mission City. Lockdown is on the loose. And the two of you have a certain violent history.
Lockdown's definitely my own worst enemy. So I have to assume that this late-night joyride isn't coincidental. Great. More collateral damage for Nest to explain.
More collateral damage for Nest to explain.
Ratchet, be careful. Lockdown is larger and more powerful than...
Nobody knows how dangerous Lockdown can be more than me, Optimus.
Don't you tire of trying and failing to stop me, Ratchet?
You're right. Let's end this here and... No! Blasted faulty pulse regulator!
When will you learn, Ratchet? Science will not win this war. We Decepticons are stronger. And size matters, old foe. Now, if you don't mind, I'll take your blaster as a memento. Perhaps I can succeed where you failed and make it work.